Isn't this cake so beautiful? It's so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. On this very video, we're gonna be decorating this steps cake that we baked the last time. Remember my previous cake? This is the decoration video. Let's go. Make sure you scoop around the bowl to make sure the butter and the sugar is thoroughly uh, mixed together. And you will know this is thoroughly mixed when you don't taste the sugar as a crunch anymore. It is totally melted with the butter. So what we are doing now is to make sure the cake is secured to the uh cake board. Okay, so we're just gonna apply a little bit. You can apply as much as you want to make sure the cake is stick to the cake board, and also make sure the second step is also secure to the first one. So I'll also apply some buttercream, just like that. You place this, make sure it's in the middle, however you want to place it. And now I'm going to apply all the buttercream around the cake, around the body of the cake. This is to help our fondant. Yeah, this is to help our fondant or icing to secure with the cake, just to help secure the fondant to the cake. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that and make sure everything is totally smooth. Repeating the same process with other fondants to get enough of the fondant that I need, that I know it will be enough to cover the cake. He make it sunny like California. If you don't know where to go, Jesus is the way. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. So after kneading like 3 fondants together, I know this would be enough for me to cover the cake, because the fondant is just for the decoration, the beauty of the cake. So I would go ahead and knead all together thoroughly, and then I will be rolling it wide and flat to the size of the cake. In this case, you can use a tape to measure your cake, and also use it in measuring the spreading of your fondant to get the proper measurement you want. And make sure you leave extra inches or extra fondant, so that when you cut out your fondant out of the cake, you will have this blended
fondant cover on your cake. So I'm just trying to roll out and make it smooth as possible, and then I will be placing it on top of my cake.
What you mean to me? You're everything to me. I'm so over what people say. Cause I'm on my mission. I serve a God who's within. He gave me what I'm missing. I made the greatest decision to give my life away to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He's what I'm living for. I ain't got no regret. I can't let go. Holy Spirit flow. I got my treasure and my peace in Jesus. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen.
Now I'm just trying to smoothen the fondant on the cake and get a very nice and sharp edge to get out the round shape of the cake. The edges has to look sharp, you know, to enhance the beauty of the decoration.
If you don't know where to go, Jesus is the way. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything to me. I'm so over what people say. Cause I'm on my mission. I serve a God who's within. He gave me what I'm missing. I made the greatest decision to give my life away to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. He's what I'm living for. I ain't got no regret. I can't let go. Holy Spirit flow. I got my treasure and my peace in Jesus. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You can get all these things from Amazon if you don't have them yet. And if you have this transparent shaper or pack, you can also use it to get this sharp edge on your cake. I hope you understand what I'm talking about.
You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me.
Okay, marble. Our cake is set to marble design. Your cake can be ready like this, but The person who needed this needed something gold. Yeah. So this is my gold spray, food spray. So I'm adding my lemon essence, my lemon flavor. Lemon flavor helps it thickens more than vanilla essence, and vanilla essence, it kind of changes the color that I don't like, makes it a bit brownish, which I don't really like about my gold color being brownish. So here is a teaspoon of icing sugar. So I just added that to taking it up, and then I'll be mixing thoroughly together. If it is too thick, you just add more uh, lemon essence or lemon flavor. Then you will be needing a brush for this. It is very compulsory to need a brush. So I'll be using the brush to spread that around. First, I'm going to be using my spoon to place the gold mixed drip on top of the cake to make it easier and faster. Then I will be using the brush to enhance the decoration.
I made the greatest decision to give my life away to the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. It's what I'm living for. I ain't got no regret. I can't let go. Holy Spirit, flow. I got my treasure and my peace in Jesus. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If the color drops on your cake or to the level you don't want it to drip to, that is not a problem. You can just clean that off with your brush or a little tissue or a napkin or something. Okay.
People in the street, we ain't gotta live in no shame, we ain't gotta live in no pain, because God can transform ya. He make it sunny like California. If you don't know where to go, Jesus is the way. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're the risen king. I gotta tell the world what you mean to me. You're everything to me. You're everything. You're everything to me.
You can actually get this topper from your £1 or €1 shop or any cake shop, any shop you can get any cake decorations. So now I'm just gonna use the Ferrero chocolate to, kind of secure and design the roots of the cake topper. And then what I'm using to support that, to make sure it sticks to the fondant, is baking gel. Yeah, You can get a baking gel from any supermarket. It's always there close to the baking items. So I also apply the baking gel around the top of the cake so that I can add in some decorative candies to help it sticks. And once it's dried, it is dry, it will not leave, so it helps it sticks, because it was the next day, so this cake was going to be used for the next day, so I have to make sure everything I did was totally secure and movable. Even if anything happens, the cake will be totally secure. At this time, I'm just adding some extra stars to the step to be, a kind of connecting the top, the gold drip to the main cake. All right, just to do something different, playing with the cake. You can play with the cake any way you want. So you can also use water for this. Yes, you can also use water to apply your um, cake stickers, like the birthday stickers that I'm adding now. But I'm not guaranteeing you that it's gonna stay if you move it. Yes, it is not a guarantee that when you move it they are gonna stay, but using a baking gel, it guarantees you that it's gonna stay. So we have come to the end of our decoration. What do you think about this cake? To this video, and I hope you like how I decorated the cake. Please leave me a comment in the comment section about what you think about this beautiful cake. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me on the comment section. Until next video,